Good day and welcome. Today's video, we're going to talk about 3 essential oils to help with uplifting your mood or your environment. I don't know about you, but in this season that we're in, and this is June 2022, if you're watching the replay, and everything that's been going on in the season and recent events had sometimes can be a bit overwhelming if you're looking at the news, which I truly not try not to watch too much of. But if you're looking at the news and you're hearing about current events um, here in the U.S. and abroad, it can be a bit overwhelming sometimes. So if you're interested, stick around and I'll share with you about my favorite essential oil and how you could use it today, and have it with you to help you throughout the day. Okay? So, 3 essential oils that I am offering as a suggestion to help you with. First being lemon essential oil. And if you haven't seen my most recent video, Essential Oils Made Easy, I'll leave a link above and in the description where I talk about lemon essential oil in more depth. I talk about its history, the therapeutic properties, the key emotions, the body systems it has an affinity towards, and also safety. Safety is always key with me when we're talking about essential oils. But just as a general overview to help with this topic today, lemon essential oil. When you're thinking about lemon, think about cleanser, a refreshener, a purifier. It's known to be a stimulant and disinfectant. It's beneficial for infections, weight loss, mental clarity, breathing, cleansing the body inside and out, as well as the whole household. And that's another video I've made too, where I talk about home freshener and I offer a few ways that you can use it for your home as a freshener, as a cleanser. So I also leave a link to that video as well above and in the description. But lemon essential oil, when it's misted or diffused in a diffuser, it cleans the air, it lifts the spirit, and it helps with the ability to focus on the task at hand. Sometimes the news that we hear can be distracting for all the wrong reasons. So this essential oil could be beneficial for you. Okay? And as an added bonus, if this is helpful for anyone, it mentions that you can take a cotton ball and place it near a student when studying to improve test scores. And if you're a student or if you're a parent who's doing homeschooling, this may be helpful also to help that student focus, okay, or test taking as it mentions at home, okay, or while they're studying, even if they're going to school. So while they're studying, so that's an added benefit. The next essential oil that I offer as a suggestion to help uplift your mood or environment is lemongrass. Lemongrass. And lemongrass, you may know, you may have had it in your food, perhaps Thai food or other foods you've made it in recipes. Lemongrass, the essential oil, is popular to diffuse and mist. Okay? It has the ability to clean oily skin, get rid of blackheads, and tighten pores. It has the ability or known for to help with cellulite, reducing wrinkles, fluid retention, sports injuries, and excessive perspiration. Okay. Lemongrass essential oil, when diffused or misted, lessens anger and frustration by acting on the limbic system. Okay. Again, this information is not meant to treat, cure, or prevent or diagnose, but to offer as a suggestion, educational suggestion. So lemongrass, just to briefly go over some of the other therapeutic properties of lemongrass. Lemongrass is known to be analgesic, antibacterial, antidepressant, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial. It's known to be a connective tissue regenerator, a deodorant, a digestive tonic, febrifuge, which means it reduces fever. It's known to be an immune stimulant, insecticide, nervine, strengthening and calming to the nervous system. It's known to be a stimulant, a sedative, and a vasodilator, which means it dilates blood vessels. The key body systems this essential oil help to bring into your life or help to aid in your life are skeletal, respiratory, immune, circulatory, muscular, and skin or integumentary system. So the key feelings or emotions this essential oil help to evolve or bring into your life are supportive, inspiring, purified, connecting, mobility, and refreshed. And again, those are suggestions of key emotions or feelings. Last but not least, we always talk about safety, and the safety notes for lemongrass essential oil. The notes I have for indicates it's non-toxic, possible dermal or skin irritation for those with hypersensitive skin. It says use with care, undiluted use not recommended for children and the elderly. And I'm recommending suggestion that using a diffuser with lemongrass. And if you use a diffuser, use 10 to 12 drops in 15-minute intervals every 2 hours during the day. Again, that's diffuse 10 to 12 drops for 15-minute intervals every 2 hours during the day. Okay? So that's number 2. And I'll leave a link above and in the description for a DIY body butter and lotion that I offer that uses lemongrass essential oil if you're interested. Okay? And last but not least, and one of my absolute favorite essential oils is frankincense. Frankincense essential oil is highly desired by most people. Qualities of this oil are strengthening to the respiratory system, rejuvenating to the skin, and being anti-tumoral. It has the unique ability to pass the blood-brain barrier, adding both physically and emotionally. Frankincense is highly beneficial for strengthening the immune system. Okay? So some other known therapeutic properties for frankincense essential oil are antidepressant, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antispasmodic, carminative, cicatrizant, which means it helps promotes wound and scar healing, diuretic, expectorant, sedative, and toner. So the body systems this essential oil have an affinity to help or aid are circulatory, immune, respiratory, nervous, and skeletal. So some key emotions or feelings that this essential oil is suggested to evolve or bring into your life are healing, honoring, introspective, reflecting, and generous. As always, we discuss safety, and the safety note I have for frankincense essential oil is it's non-toxic, non-irritating, and non-sensitizing. Okay? So, if you're planning to use this essential oil in a diffuser, as suggested, you diffuse 3 to 5 drops for 15-minute intervals every 2 hours during the day. Again, that's 3 to 5 drops for 15-minute intervals every 2 hours throughout the day. Okay? And one of the ways I like to use this essential oil, if you don't have a diffuser, but you have some frankincense essential oil and high quality frankincense essential oil, that's one thing I want to note right here. When you're getting essential oils, be sure that they're pure essential oil and not just fragrance oils, and organic if you can. Okay? So the frankincense, I have some frankincense essential oil right here. And one of the ways I like to use frankincense essential oil throughout the day, or if you're on the go, you can keep it with you and just simply lift the top and take a whiff. Inhale. So this essential oil, as mentioned in my notes, inhaled several times a day, may heal and balance emotions in times of grief, depression, anxiety, stress, and trauma. Okay? So these are the 3 essential oils that I'm offering as suggestions to help uplift your mood or your mind, have mental clarity, help uplift your environment or those around you. Okay? Again, they are lemon, lemongrass, and frankincense essential oils. And if you've used these essential oils for yourself, if you don't mind sharing, how have you used those essential oils? If you would like to learn more about these essential oils and whatever it is that you would like to know, leave that information or a comment below and we'll see about getting that information to you. As always, it's a pleasure to serve you. I hope this information is beneficial. If it is, certainly feel free to leave a comment below. And again, it's a pleasure to serve you, and thank you for watching. God bless you. I love you. Until next time, bye-bye.